Now let us discuss about exception handling. So in the Python there are like some errors like print if you give some wrong symbol, or there would be error. Let me show you, like 5 divided by 0, it will give the error, this error. Or we are, if you are searching for a file and Python couldn't find the file in our system, it will give the error showing you this traceback information. So we don't want this traceback information, we want our own custom message in this area. So how can we do that? So for that, let us consider an example, like a simple example, like let us consider num1 is equal to input. Let us say it as int input, and let us ask the enter number1. num2 is equal to input number2. So now we will be dividing the numbers. Let us say num3 is equal to num1 divided by num2, and print num3. So this is our program. So let us first execute it. So enter number1, let us say 15. Now let us execute it one more time. Let us say 15 and press enter. Number2, let us press 0. So now see, we are getting this error. Let me bring it up a little bit. Oh my god. So we are getting this error. So sometimes we don't understand what it is saying. So here we will be giving some meaningful string, so that the user can understand what the problem is. So now let us, so for that we can write this block. There is a try, and when there is a error in this block, we will, there is a except, and here we will be writing print you can't divide the number by 0, because in any calculator also, if you divide the number by 0, it will be error. Anything by 0 is infinity. So now we can write else, we can print this. Okay, so now these are this try and except. If the error comes in this block, the message will be this one, so that the user can easily understand. Now let us try to execute it. Press F5, press enter. Now it is asking you number1, let us give 400, number2, let us give 0. So here we are getting a useful message: you can't divide the number by 0. So this is how, by using try and except, we can write the program. If you give the right number, there will be no problem. Enter number1 400 and divided by 2. The number answer is 200. So this is all about exceptions. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.